Welcome to finHistorics, where we explore the dynamic landscape of finance and technology. In today's video, we delve into the transformative power of blockchain and digital currencies within India's banking sector. From decentralized ledger systems to the adoption of cryptocurrencies, India is at the forefront of innovation, reshaping traditional banking norms. Join us as we uncover how these advancements are revolutionizing financial services and driving efficiency, security, and inclusion. Don't miss out on understanding the profound impact of India's blockchain journey on the global financial stage. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. The rapid technological advancements of recent years have heralded a revolution in how we manage our finances. At the forefront of this transformation is financial technology, or fintech, which leverages technology to streamline and simplify financial services. Fintech has not only revolutionized the ease and speed of financial transactions, but has also introduced novel products, services, and processes that enhance efficiency. Complementing the strides made in fintech is the promising innovation of blockchain technology. Utilizing digital ledger-like records, blockchain securely records financial transactions, offering heightened protection against fraud and cybercrime. This aspect makes it particularly well-suited for integration into India's financial sector. As a developing country with immense potential for growth in its financial domain, India stands to benefit significantly from these innovations. They hold the promise of not only bolstering India's economy, but also ensuring unprecedented levels of security and accuracy in financial transactions, thus further empowering its financial landscape. Let's break down some of the awesome perks. First off, let's talk security. Blockchain tech is like the superhero of secure transactions. It locks things down tight, slashing the risks of fraud or messing with data. Say goodbye to sleepless nights worrying about your financial info getting into the wrong hands. Next up, we've got lower transaction costs. Bye-bye paperwork. With fintech and blockchain streamlining processes, banks can cut down on manual work, saving time and money. That means more bang for your buck when it comes to banking services. But wait, there's more. Accessibility gets a major boost too. Thanks to fintech and blockchain wizardry, banks can cast a wider net, reaching more folks faster. That means even remote areas can tap into financial services like never before. Now let's delve deeper into why fintech and blockchain are causing such a stir in India's financial circles. These innovations aren't just a passing trend, they're here to stay. Reports indicate that a whopping $4.5 billion has already been pumped into the Indian fintech market, and experts predict this figure will skyrocket in the years to come. The potential for these technologies to completely revolutionize India's financial landscape is off the charts. So, why exactly are fintech and blockchain gaining so much traction in India? Well, there are a few key factors at play. Firstly, government-backed initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana and the Aadhaar number system, coupled with digitization efforts like UPI or UPI ID, have paved the way for easier access to banking services. Gone are the days of trekking to a physical bank branch. Now, banking is at your fingertips, quite literally. Secondly, the rise of mobile technology has been a game changer. With smartphones becoming ubiquitous, fintech and blockchain services are more accessible than ever. Transactions that once took days can now be completed in a matter of seconds, all thanks to the wonders of digital innovation. And let's not forget about the trailblazing companies leading the charge. Giants like Amazon Payments, Paytm, and Flipkart are at the forefront, offering seamless e-commerce solutions powered by fintech and blockchain platforms. Whether it's paying a friend back for dinner or splurging on that must-have gadget, these platforms make it a breeze to transact securely with no physical cards or bank accounts required. Now let's talk about the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and its pivotal role in driving innovation in the financial sector. The RBI hasn't been sitting idly by. It's been taking some serious strides to foster innovation and keep up with the fast-paced world of fintech. One of the RBI's standout moves is the establishment of a regulatory sandbox. Picture this as a safe testing ground where fintech companies can try out their latest products and systems under the watchful eye of regulators. This sandbox isn't just for fun. It's a way for everyone involved: regulators, innovators, financial providers, and customers to assess the pros and cons of new financial innovations while keeping risks in check. But that's not all. On June 20, 2022, the RBI made a significant move by putting the brakes on non-bank prepaid instrument issuers from offering credit lines. This put a bit of a damper on the buy now, pay later lending model that was gaining steam. Then, on August 17, 2022, the RBI dropped a discussion paper titled Charges in Payment Systems to the public for feedback. This was their way of opening up the floor for opinions on existing and proposed charges for payment systems, keeping things transparent and inclusive. And let's not forget about the RBI's eye on the future. On October 07, 2022, they released a concept note on central bank digital currency, CBDC. This was a biggie, as it shed light on the potential for a digital rupee and how it could be used. The RBI made its stance clear on the launch of a digital currency, sparking discussions and anticipation about what the future holds for digital transactions in India. The potential for fintech and blockchain to completely transform India's financial landscape is truly remarkable. These innovations aren't just fancy buzzwords. They're real game changers that bring a host of benefits to the table. First off, let's talk about speed. With distributed ledger technology at the helm, payments can zoom from one end to the other in the blink of an eye. Say goodbye to those annoying delays that used to slow things down in the world of finance. It's all about efficiency and security, baby. But it's not just about speed, it's also about access. Thanks to these new technologies, folks from all walks of life can now tap into banking services like never before. Whether you're chilling in a bustling city or kicking back in a remote village, the digital world of finance is right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the green stuff, money, that is. By cutting out the middlemen, fintech and blockchain/transaction costs like a ninja. That means businesses can keep more of their hard-earned cash without passing the buck to their customers. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Last but not least, let's talk security. Blockchain isn't just a fancy word. It's a fortress. With its rock-solid encryption, sneaky cybercriminals cannot get their mitts on your precious data or funds. Your money stays safe and sound, locked away from prying eyes. Fintech and blockchain aren't just tools. They're superpowers that have the potential to transform India's financial sector for the better. With faster payments, improved access, reduced costs, and ironclad security, the future's looking brighter than ever. Get ready for a wild ride, because the world of finance is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Be sure to give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. While the potential of fintech and blockchain in transforming India's financial sector is immense, it's crucial to address the challenges standing in the way. Let's dive into some of the hurdles that need to be overcome. First up, building trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful financial system, and it's no different when it comes to fintech and blockchain. Getting all stakeholders, be it customers, banks, or regulators, on the same page can be a tough nut to crack. Then there's the murky waters of regulations. Without clear guidelines in place, navigating the fintech and blockchain landscape can feel like wandering through a maze blindfolded. Clarity and consistency in regulations are key to fostering innovation while ensuring security and compliance. Access to credit bureau data is another roadblock. Without access to this crucial information, assessing creditworthiness becomes a tricky endeavor, hindering the ability to extend financial services to those who need it most. And let's not forget about the elephant in the room: data privacy and storage regulations. As fintech and blockchain handle sensitive financial data, ensuring compliance with privacy laws is paramount. Without proper safeguards in place, the risk of data breaches and misuse looms large. Last but not least, there's the issue of limited access to financial services at reasonable costs. For fintech and blockchain to truly make a difference, they need to be accessible to all, regardless of income or location. But fear not, for there's light at the end of the tunnel. By implementing robust governance structures and fostering collaboration between regulators, banks, and fintech companies, India can overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of fintech and blockchain. It's a journey that requires patience, cooperation, and a whole lot of innovation. But the rewards are well worth the effort. And who knows, India's success story could set the stage for other emerging markets to follow suit. And that wraps it up for today's discussion on the exciting world of fintech and blockchain in India's financial sector. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends and colleagues, and engage with us in the comments section below. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to leave your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.